Welcome to the channel eCommerce Know-How. NFT and cryptos are on the path to affect almost all the major aspects of our lives in subtle as well as direct ways. In this video, we will look at the impact of NFTs and cryptos on the e-commerce industries. Let's begin. We will start by talking about the benefits of using NFTs in e-commerce. Ownership. Because NFTs are constructed on blockchain technology at the back end, they can be traced to their original purchaser, thus benefiting the growth of e-commerce. Provable scarcity. NFTs are built on a blockchain platform, which is a reliable and secure technology. They also keep unchangeable records to trace every e-commerce operation. Trustworthy. Because NFTs are autonomous platforms built on blockchain, which can be described as a decentralized ledger, they eliminate any third parties from the equation, providing clients with more confidence. Thus, these are the three broad reasons the NFTs can contribute positively to the e-commerce industry. The future of e-commerce with NFTs. With the introduction of the new web, often known as Web 3.0, e-commerce platforms have gained a more positive reputation. They are also providing new options for the general public to launch their enterprises on such platforms. People anticipated that when blockchain was established, it would be followed by NFTs, and that e-commerce platform customers would immediately switch to NFT. However, new trends emerge as a result of digitization, and NFTs are no exception. In reality, when NFT plus e-commerce are coupled, better profits can be achieved. All the various forms of digital art, especially NFTs, could be used to overcome the gap that exists in the e-commerce industry. Most e-commerce enterprises are attempting to implement the NFT system in order to boost their profitability. For the purpose of creating their blockchain app, the various e-commerce companies actually hire NFT programmers. They intend to provide the exact item with a digital model, similar to how NFTs are sent. Because it is digitized as well as transparent, this order will be delivered extraordinarily quickly, just as NFTs. As a result, there will be a higher level of consumer satisfaction. The classic shopping experience will be overtaken by an e-commerce industry based on non-fungible tokens in this manner. And now, we will look at the benefits of cryptocurrency in e-commerce. Lower transaction fees. Transaction fees range between 3 to 5% for credit card companies as well as payments applications like Stripe and Square. But now, several of the e-commerce corporations include these charges in the cost of their online stores. And on the other hand, cryptocurrency transactions frequently have no fees or sometimes rates as low as 1%. When switching cryptocurrencies to national fiat currencies like the US dollar, there seem to be cryptocurrency exchange fees. It is beneficial for those who want to engage in anonymous transactions, as well as those who don't want to deal with banks. By employing protected wallet addresses, the cryptocurrency enables untraceable transactions. However, it is essentially the same as using unmarked cash. This enables the buyers to shop things without sharing their personal data, and it encourages one to conduct business without fear of violating any privacy laws. Reduce fraud as well as chargebacks. Contrary to common opinion, the blockchain system that underpins cryptocurrencies was created with the goal of reducing theft. Embracing Bitcoin reduces the opportunity for bogus chargebacks or returns because the money is exchanged instantly and also because it cannot be reversed. Moreover, it cannot be forged either. These are precisely how cryptocurrency benefits in the growth of the e-commerce sector. The disadvantages of cryptocurrency in e-commerce. Volatility. Whereas the worth of national currencies such as the US dollar swings relatively marginally, the price of cryptocurrencies varies dramatically. Substantial positive swings have lately occurred, but a substantial decrease might constitute a considerable risk to e-commerce companies who rely on cash flow for stocking and restocking as well as other daily operations.